Alright. Alright, okay. So we're here to give you another quick reaction video for one of another great song. We'll do a quick reaction video of one of Rod Stewart's great song, I Don't Want to Talk About It. Alright. So, huwag na natin patagalin. Let's start. Okay. Ayan. Pakinggan natin ang kanta ni Rod Stewart, I Don't Want to Talk About It. Alright.
I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror.
Ayun. So yung first stanza na yon, I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. Medyo mabigat to. It seems na ito ay naglalarawan ng isang kwento. Isang story ng hindi masabing kalungkutan. At yung struggle upang harapin yung damdamin, masakit na damdamin. Alright, so let us continue. Let us listen to the song again. Alright.
Talk about it, how you broke my heart. But if I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart?
Alright, so yung second stanza na yun, I don't want to talk about it. And it seems that if I stay here just a little bit longer, if I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? So ito yung nagbibigay diin sa isang malalim na epekto ng isang heartbreak between couples, parang ganon. Between the two of them. Yung kalungkutan na nagdudulot ng isang broken love, nasirang pag-iibigan. Parang ganun yung interpretasyon ko dyan. Alright, let us continue.
If I stand all alone, will the shadow hide the colors of my heart? Blue for the tears, black for the nights, feels the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror.
Ayon. So, with the shadows hide the color of my heart. And if I stand all alone. So, it seems sa kanyang pag-isa, alright, I stand all alone. Ito ay nagbibigay ng isang emotional na damdamin. Yan. Siya ay nagdadalamhati, very, very hurtful, mabigat sa damdamin niya. Yung kanilang karanasan, yung kanilang experience. Yan. Nagpapahiwatig ng sobrang bigat na emotional feeling. Alright, let us continue.
Just a little bit longer. If I stay here, won't you listen to my heart. Oh, my heart. My heart. Oh, my heart is so hard.
Ayan. So, itong last stanza na ito ay talaga nagbibigay din dun sa isang malalim na relationship na effect ng isang mabigat na heartbreak or isang mabigat na heartbreak relationship sa kanilang dalawa. Na parang sa interpretation ko if I stay here, I'll be a little bit longer. If I stay here, won't you listen to my heart? Parang there's no point of talking to each other again. Parang gano'n, parang hopeless na Kaya napakabigat ng emotion. Alright, so in conclusion, para sa akin, the song I Don't Want to Talk About It ay isang song na naghahatid ng isang malinaw na message ng endless or walang hanggang damdamin or experience or karanasan ng tao when it comes to love, pag-ibig, at pagkawala ng isang precious love. Alright, so i-continue lang natin the song and let us conclude our reaction video. My heart. Oh, my heart. Ayun, kaya won't you listen to my heart? Parang ganun pa rin, nagsusumamo. If I stay here just a little bit longer, won't you listen to my heart? So, may temang parang hopeful pa rin siya na magkakausap sila. They can patch things up. So, nagdadamdam siya Ganun talaga ang isang relationship Let us continue.
My heart. Oh, my heart.
Alright. So it's a very nice song ni Rod Stewart. Ayan. It's another top of the chart song na talagang nakakalakihan din natin ito. Maganda yung song na yan. So to me, the main essence of the song is he finally decided that he doesn't want to talk about it. Kaya nga I don't want to talk about it And he still begs his partner to still listen to his heart. Ayan. Alright guys, so thank you for listening sa ating another reaction video. And I hope we'll do another round of reaction video again. So thank you guys, and hope I still can catch you for another reaction video. Thank you very much.